Do you want to know how to cancel Microsoft Word subscription? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: cancel Microsoft Word subscription. Visit account.microsoft.com. Sign in with your account credentials. Navigate to Services and Subscriptions. Locate your subscription you want to cancel. Then click on Manage. If the option says Turn on Recurring Billing instead of Manage, your subscription is already set to end on the indicated date, and no further charges will be incurred. You can use the service until the end date without additional action. On the subsequent page, choose Cancel or Cancel Subscription depending on the type of subscription. Then scroll down and select the I don't want my subscription option. Then select Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. Then you should see the message that you have cancelled your Microsoft subscription. In certain countries, you may be eligible for a prorated refund upon cancellation, depending on the length of your subscription. This applies to any subscription length in Canada, Israel, Korea, and Turkey, and to subscriptions longer than 1 month that have been renewed in Denmark, Finland, Germany for purchases after March 1st, 2022, Netherlands, Poland, and Portugal. If your subscription was acquired through Google Play or the Apple App Store, please contact their customer support for cancellation or refunds. And there you have it, the method to cancel Microsoft Word subscription. We hope this method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.